Hello, good morning. Welcome to Fitous Thai Kitchen. Today we're going to make a duck spicy salad or yum phet yang. We use the fresh duck breast, this one 400 gram, and we grill with the pan. And before we grill, we put this one first, just a few minutes. Salt and pepper. We leave the skin on. Okay, then we show you all the ingredients we use for the sauce. Fish sauce today, we use fish sauce. I tell you the amount later, okay, when we make it. Palm sugar, green and red chili, garlic, coriander root, lemon, and this one, sliced green pepper, red pepper, onion, celery, and mint when we mix the sauce. On top with the sliced spring onion and coriander. Now we grill duck with the pan, okay? Okay, we heat the pan until hot enough, right? And then we put the duck, put the skin down this side, right? Yeah. Okay. But the gas not too high, not too low. Right, and while we waiting for the duck cook, then we make the sauce in the same time. Okay. Yeah, don't have to waste the time. Okay. Okay, the sauce. Now we chop the coriander root. This one, don't forget to wash. Okay. This chili you can put as you like. If you like hot, you can put more. Okay. You like hot or small or not too hot? Hot, okay.
Hot crab.
Okay, then I make hot. You can use the glider if you want. I don't use because I don't have.
Oh, Fitous, your birthday soon.
Yes.
How old you will be?
65 years old.
Wow, wow, we were.
Okay, enough, hot enough.
It should be a thing, yeah.
Yeah, and then garlic. I'll fill clove of garlic. Okay, let me turn duck. When you turn the other side, low a little bit of gas. If not, your duck get burned easily and inside uncooked. Okay. Now we chop this one. Make it very fine. Okay. Yeah, like this. Right? Long way to go. So let them kiss each other. This one, fish sauce, 3 tablespoons of fish sauce, okay? If not salty enough, you can add more, right? And palm sugar, 2 tablespoons of palm sugar. Just stir until it's mixed well. Yeah, okay, then squeeze lemon juice, not lemon lime. I put a little bit of MSG. If you don't like, you don't have to put. Not necessary to put. Okay.
Oh, you're dancing now, yeah?
Yeah, the quarter of teaspoon. One quarter of tablespoon. Okay. Now you keep on stirring. This one mixed well, already mixed well. Then you put all the ingredient, the one we chop. You look how the sauce look like.
Yummy.
Yummy, yummy. And then you can have with seafood. You can have with just prawn or squid. Not necessarily.
Not necessarily.
Not necessarily only dark. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
This one international sauce. อร่อยมาก you taste สิ really อร่อย อร่อยไหมนะ
มันจริง
สุดยอด Okay this one look medium rare right and then we slice and then we grill a little bit more to make it more well done. Yeah. You want the skin or you want to throw?
Yeah, leave the skin.
Oh.
Can do a little bit.
Yeah, this one have to be a little bit more. Okay, just a little bit more. Okay, all the sauce we ready for the sauce. And then we put a duck. Yeah, we put a duck in there. Then we stir. Okay, this one celery.
Speak up, why you put papa?
I.
Either way.
This one, don't forget, this one onion, green pepper, red pepper. Okay. Mint, tomato.
Wait.
Yeah, cherry tomato. Okay.
Okay.
Spring onion, coriander last. Okay. Now ready to serve.
Okay, so let's try this YUM PHET YANG. So I've got sticky rice here. You can use normal rice, but sticky rice goes so well with Thai salads. It's kind of a prerequisite. Let's have a look at this. Look at that. That's so good. So it's spicy, sour, salty. Got 20 million bits of umami in here.